Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule emails in Gmail. So let's get right into it. Once you are logged into your Gmail account, click on the Compose button to start a new email. Write your message and add recipients as you normally would. Once you are ready to schedule, look for the small arrow next to the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on this arrow, then select Schedule Send. A small window will pop up where you can select the date and time you want the email to be sent. You can choose one of the suggested times or click Pick Date and Time to customize it. I will pick a customized date and time for this email of mine. After you have chosen your desired send time, click Schedule Send to finalize. Once your email is scheduled, it will be stored in a folder called Schedule on the left sidebar where you can view all your scheduled emails. You can edit or delete any scheduled email if your plans change. In case if you want to edit the scheduled email, click on the email. At the top right of your email, click Cancel Send. Create your changes and schedule the email as we did before. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to schedule an email in Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.